Welcome back to 12 Days of Tella. Today's day 4, and we've got a double whammy for you. 2 features, Transcript Dictionary and Find and Replace. Let me show you how Find and Replace works. So I've got this video here. I've recorded it to Michiel, my co-founder, and Michiel often gets his name mixed up. People call him Michael, people call him Miguel, people call him Michiel. Lots of strange alternatives to Michiel. And even the AI sometimes gets Michiel's name wrong. And when that happens and I make a video to Michiel, I have to go and individually correct all of the instances of his incorrect or mistranscribed name. But now with Find and Replace, I can do that in one go. So you can see we've got right off the bat, hey Michael, that's not right. We want to fix that. And so I can use the Find and Replace tool here and then type in the correct name. You see there's 3 instances of this and I can navigate between each of those to see where they are. But now I can just hit replace and that will fix all of those instances so he has his correct name throughout the transcript. This is a really handy way of fixing names or brands or specific terms that the transcript doesn't get right and you need to correct. It saves you a bunch of time having to go and find all the different instances that it might show up, and you can fix it in one go. So that is the Find and Replace tool. But I need to make a video for Michiel every single day, and even though it's now a lot easier for me to correct the multiple instances of Michiel's mistranscribed name, I still need to do this on every single video that I make. That's where our second new feature comes in, the Transcript Dictionary. So down here you can see this little dictionary icon, and when you click that you get this input where you can add words or terms to your dictionary. The words that you have in your dictionary are what the AI is going to pay special attention to see if it should be transcribing the audio to what you've put in the dictionary. And so I can type in Michiel's name, and this is then going to look at the audio and see if actually this is the correct transcription for anything that I've said in the video. I can update the transcript right away, and all future videos will reference this dictionary as well, checking to see if these are the better things to transcribe the audio to rather than the default stuff that the model already knows. When you are using the dictionary, it's important to use specific or unique names, whether it's brands or people's names or industry specific terminology. You shouldn't put everyday language in there, words that the model probably already knows. Right now, this is only limited to English. Hopefully we'll be able to roll this out to other languages soon. See you on Monday, which is where we'll pick things back up again for day 5 of 12 Days of Tella. Have a good weekend. Bye.